In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show bid and ask price lines in Tradingview. If you've ever wanted a quick visual way to see where buyers and sellers are currently quoting the market, turning on the bid and ask price lines is a simple and powerful upgrade to your chart. These lines show the best available price to buy and the best available price to sell in real time, helping you understand spread, liquidity, and how fast price is moving. Start by opening your chart on Tradingview. Make sure you're looking at the symbol you care about and that your chart is visible and not hidden behind other panels. If the market is live, you'll see prices updating. If it's after hours or the market is closed, the lines will still display when enabled, but they won't move until trading resumes or data updates come in. Next, click the gear icon, which opens Chart Settings. You'll find this gear near the top area of the chart interface. Inside the Settings window, navigate to the Trading tab. This tab controls features related to order placement, trading visuals, and price overlays that help with execution. Now, look for the option labeled Show Bid/Ask Lines and toggle it on. This is the key switch that tells Tradingview to draw two horizontal lines on your chart that track the live bid and ask. The bid reflects the highest price buyers are willing to pay, and the ask reflects the lowest price sellers are willing to accept. The gap between them is the spread. A tighter spread often suggests greater liquidity, while a wider spread can signal lower liquidity or increased volatility. Once you've turned the setting on, click OK to apply your changes and close the window. You should immediately see two lines appear on your chart, typically hovering near the current price. As the market updates, these lines will move in real time, giving you a clearer view of where trades are likely to execute. If you don't see them right away, try zooming slightly or confirming that your data feed for the instrument is active. Delayed or inactive data can make the lines appear static or update less frequently. Use these lines to plan limit orders more precisely, gauge potential slippage, and time entries or exits when spreads tighten. They're especially helpful during fast markets at the open or around key news events when spreads can change quickly. That's all it takes. Open your chart, head to Chart Settings, go to the Trading tab, turn on Show Bid/Ask Lines, and click OK. Enjoy a clearer, more actionable view of price right on your chart.